can't believe we just got the video.
Yeah.
Therapist and a mechanic. We're
Nice
building a
to meet you.
racing program for at-risk youth and rescue animals. If
Oh, that's
you
awesome.
give any advice, we're building from the ground up. Like these youth, these kids, they have nothing. We work mostly with foster kids and kids that are just struggling really hard. What advice would you give them to make it through the hard times? Because life is really tough. They think they're invincible. Nobody sees them.
Oh, that's a tough question. Well, I mean, the biggest thing is you don't have to have a lot to build stuff. I didn't have much of anything. I mean, even when we started this channel, we had a welder and an angle grinder. And I mean, when I was a kid, I had even less, you know.
Yeah.
Start with what you have and you'll get there one day.
Thank you.
Yep.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, have a good one.
You too.